So generally, the time when to practice, of course, if in everyday life, everyday working life. So if you say, is it better to practice in the morning and evening and during daytime? Obviously, it's always recommended to in the morning and the evening. And particularly like in the morning, it's recommended because in the morning, it's like your body is hopefully very rested and quiet, mind is quiet, and everything also in the world is much more peaceful. Energetically also you feel much more calm, and so you kind of take advantage of all this situation into your meditation. And it also says like a space element, moment, time. So in the morning it's recommended. What is not good is like during the midday and midnight, and particularly like a midday and after big lunch. Clearly it's not good for meditation because it will immediately put you to sleep. You already feel sleepy and dullness. So dullness and sleepiness does not help the development of meditation. So not recommended. In the evening it's okay too.